In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an NPS, which stands for Net Promoter Score, on your WordPress site. The Net Promoter Score is a crucial tool that helps you gauge customer satisfaction and loyalty. So integrating it into your website can provide invaluable insights into how your visitors feel about your brand. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this up and running smoothly. First, we'll start by heading over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essential to be on the correct platform where your site's backend is managed. Once you're at wordpress.com, locate and click on the login button. This will bring you to the page where you can access your account, so ensure you remember those login details or have them handy. Once you've clicked login, a prompt will appear to help you continue with various methods, but to simplify the process, go ahead and click on continue with Google. This method is particularly effective if you've registered your WordPress account with a Gmail address. It's a secure and quick way to access your admin panel without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Afterwards, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts that are available to you. Choose the correct Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. Ensure you select the right one, otherwise you might end up in a different account than intended. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your site's dashboard. On the right panel of this page, you'll notice a section titled Quick Links. Here, you should click on Edit Site. This option will direct you to the editor interface where you can make necessary changes and add new elements to your website. Now you should focus your attention on the top left corner of the editor interface where you'll find an Add button. Click on it, as this is where we begin adding new blocks to your page. In the search bar that appears, simply type in NPS. This search will help you locate the Net Promoter Score block quickly, saving you time and effort navigating through numerous options. As the search result appears, go ahead and click on the NPS block. Once clicked, this block will be added to your page, making it functional for your visitors. It's that easy. Now, with the NPS survey embedded on your page, you'll start collecting responses that can guide you on improving customer satisfaction and understanding client needs in a more structured manner. Remember, having this feedback mechanism in place not only helps you understand your customers better, but also demonstrates your dedication to improving their experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate NPS into your WordPress site. Thanks for tuning in and happy embedding.